When you are created as a user on the application, you will receive two emails. The first one will contain your customer ID, the URL for the site, and act as confirmation of your email address. The second email contains a temporary first use password. You can select the language of your application by clicking on the flag in the top right hand corner of the screen, where options will be displayed. The first time that you log in, you will be asked to create your own password and update it. If at any time you forget your password, click on Can't access your account and the process will begin to create a new password. Once complete, you will have access to the application. If you ever wish to change your password, click on the drop-down menu in the top right-hand corner and follow the on-screen instructions.